Holy shit, I wasn't recording that whole time? What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Thesis, aka Thesis himself, from Vaping with Thesis. That's right, God bless it. Now, look, huge shout out goes to my boy Dean / Vaping Biker. He flew on his wings like this. He flew all the way from the United Kingdom all the way to Minnesota, and it's cold. It's not cold, it's actually hot as fuck. With that being said, huge shout out goes to my boy Dean, but this bad boy right here will be given away on the Patreon page, as well as its silver brother that's sitting right under there. You can't see it, but there's a giant pile of shit. Just fucking mods and RDAs and RTAs all put into one giant pile. T-shirts, coils, liquid, I was gonna say flavor, but that too, liquid for Lioness elixirs, so on and so forth. RDAs, RTAs, sub-ohm tanks, mods, mech mods, fucking dildo mods. We got vibrating mods. We have mods that vibrate. That's not true. Just made that up. If you want to be a hero, if you want to be a part of the producers of this channel, if you want to be a part of the sponsors of this channel, hit me up on patreon.com/ThesisHimself, as well as Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All three of those bad bitches, as well as if you want a chance to win this and many other, just a plethora of stuff. You'll love it. It's enjoyable. Now, I will be using this one for the use of this review, but with that being said, I'm gonna, for sure, of course, clean it out. Fucking stick a toothbrush in my butt, and then I'll use it to clean this bad boy, and then you'll get it. That's how it works. Let's go get head. Let's go get head. That's legitimately what it sounded like I said, which isn't a bad idea either. I'm just saying. Bitch, it's okay. Smell the truckers. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get up close and personal with the Basium by Davpo and Vaping Biker. Welcome to Up Close and Personal with your boy Thesis, not peep game, son. Today we have got this beautiful Basium right here by Davpo and Vaping Biker, aka Dean, my Ninja Kitty. Huge appreciation for sending this bad boy out. Now, I was supposed to record this a while back. Problem being is I couldn't because I was unaware of the whole TPD situation, the whole workaround with squonks. With that being said, fuck TPD and so on and so forth. I'm going to just go ahead and review it. Let's see. Bam, we got things, stuff. And of course, your QC, quality control approved, and then we got this adorable little warning sign. Real quick, let me just check out these specifications. 80 mil by 41 mil by 41 mil. It's basically a square, except for I know there's a corner that's cut out. Oh shit, it does feel good. It feels good in the hand. Although I gotta say, my Ninja Kitties, it's super, what is the word I'm looking for? It's super high quality feeling, but I will say that this is not for the faint of heart in terms of its girth. This is, I've got a decent sized pair of hands, okay? If you've got little baby hands, this is not gonna be a solid mod for you. It's just not gonna be comfy. I will tell you though, it is a dual 18650, and that is where this bad boy shines. There are so few, there are surprisingly few 18650, or dual 18650 rather, squonks out there. The fact that this one exists, I'm excited for. So I am pretty much new to this device. I've only rocked it once or twice on the live stream with my boy Josh, who's also a Patreon supporter. Much appreciation, bro. I do like the fact that this comes with two squishes. Oh shit, two different colors. That's something I appreciate. You know why? It pisses me off when I get several different colors, or excuse me, several of the same squishes, and I don't know which flavor is in which. Bam, let's go ahead and fill this bad bitch up quick. I don't know with what. What are we gonna, you know what? Let's go ahead and look at Lioness. He sent out, a boy, Andrew sent out liquid for me to give away, as well as some for myself. We're gonna go with this. This is a menthol. He doesn't give me a description of what it is in terms of the flavors, but I will tell you it is delicious. It is sweet, it is minty, and it is mentholated. All three of which I love. Okay, let's fill it up. This is your standard squishy for squonking. Go ahead and fill it up. Oh, 3/4-esque. I should have used the clear one so you guys can see, but I wanted to keep that one nice and new for the winner of this device. Come on now. Ooh, the threads are not bad. Usually on these squishies, they're I don't know, way crunchier than that. That's not bad at all. I would take this little film off, and I would drop test this. However, again, this is going to be going, you know, to a winner on the Patreon page. I don't want to fuck this mod up. Period. I just don't. Sorry. I don't know what else to say. I don't want to fuck it up. Stick the squishy. So there's going to be somebody. There's going to be somebody in this fucking review who's going to comment below and be like, "Hey, yo, motherfucker, stop saying squishy. It's stupid." You know what? You're stupid. Shove it. Make sure it fits. It's a little bit kinked. That's all right. I like my shit kinky. Let's go ahead and leave it just as it is. Now, for this setup, I'm just going to be using a standard Asmodus Squonk right here, nothing fancy. I was going to use the Revert, this bad boy right here by my boy Tenacious. The problem is that I don't have it built right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab two 18650s. Where the fuck did I put them? Ooh, that shit feels nice. That feels so solid. Ooh, I'm enjoying it. Beautiful. P.S. If you're wondering which batteries I am using, I'm using the Home Lifes. These bad boys, if you want the link to these batteries, they will be in the description below. So with that being said, I would hugely appreciate you guys going and take the time to hit those links. With that being said, let's bring this bitch up to, let's say 70 watts. These buttons are clicky. I like it. God, this is an old build. Beautiful. Still pretty even though. And then for this, I'm going to use the rest of my cotton bed. Oh shit, I got more than I thought I did. Where's my scissors? There they are. These are my favorite scissors in the whole wide world. P.S. If you see me at ECC, do not hesitate to come talk to me. I'm the kind of motherfucker that wants to talk to anybody and everybody who wants to take pictures, who wants to motherfucking just sit and chit-chat, like a chitty-chat sir. I will be at ECC in August in Ontario, California, which I'll tell you the truth was a little bit confusing when I first heard that. I was like, all right, we're going to Canada. And then my girl was like, no, Ontario, California. I was like, same shit, but different. Because basically Minnesota, where I do live, is Canada, but not really. Stick that in there. She's nicely wicked. Go ahead and hit this. Oh, shit, where'd it go? Swagga bam. Oh, that is perfection. Oh, my gosh. The way that this squishes, by the way, kudos to Davpo and the Vaping Biker. I'm going to turn this light down just a little bit so you guys can see it better. There we go. The way that it squishes is absolutely phenomenal. I was talking shit, quite a bit of shit about the squishies as opposed to the hydraulic pump that Asmodus tends to use. And I will say there is a place in my heart for the squishies. And the reason why there's a place is because it sucks back the excess juice. And somebody had brought that up in a comment. And I'll tell you what, that's not something I necessarily thought about when I was talking shit about the squishies. And so I got to say I do prefer the hydraulic more. But I do like the squishies that it takes back the juice when you overjuice it. All right, let's go ahead and give it a test. Oh, shit. Oh, I have a good feeling about this. All right, Mother Lucas, I'm feeling frisky. I like this drip tip here. Oh, my goodness, that looks so fucking hot on there. Oh, my damn. This, I have a feeling, oh, fuck. I have a feeling I'm going to regret giving this away. Oh, shit. Oh, it just fits so nicely in the hand. You guys have no idea. So, when I was talking to Dean, essentially what the idea that I got from him, or the long and the short of it, was he wanted to make something that was extremely simple, something that was extremely easy. And this chipset screams easy. No temp control, no bullshit to go through. It shows you your amperage, your voltage, your wattage, your AB, and then in terms of your batteries, left and right, however you want to look at it, and then your voltage left in there, and then of course your resistance. That's all you need for a solid vape. You don't need anything super special. And for this being what it is, the price point cannot be beat. It's around $100, and for me that is a perfect price range. You're getting two sets of these little inlets, a little sled that these squishies sit on, and then whoosh, it goes right up in there. That's something you don't commonly see with a lot of squonks. A lot of squonks only come with one squishy, much less an actual entire extra sled. The fact that it comes with an extra sled means less work for you to do when you pop it out and want to swap flavors. The fact that this is all metal construction makes it even better. Now, before we get back to regular view, I am going to be using this all day, and I do want to see what the battery life is like, especially with the fact that there's no USB charging port. And with that being said, mother truckers, let's go ahead and start the test. I'm going to use this all day. It is morning time right now. Let's wait until the evening. I'll come back to it and give you guys my thoughts, okay? Bitches, okay, mother truckers. Now, with that being said, let's go and get back to regular view, son. So, upon using the Basium for an extended period of time, I'm a little pissed off that I'm giving it away. That being said, whoever's gonna get it is gonna be extremely fucking happy. So, I didn't get as detailed as I wanted to with this device. A couple of reasons. I was excited just to use it in the up close and personal section. Number two, I should not have given this one away. Good God. Huge shout out to my boy Dean for hooking it up. Let's just do a rundown real quick. Anything that I missed on the up close personal. The Basium, however you want to say it, is Latin for kiss, which is funny because in Spanish, beso means kiss. Cute. With that being said, the acronym KISS, keep it simple, stupid, or keep it super simple, however you want to say it, and that's exactly what he did with this setup. There's so many little things that he thought about that he made his own mod, meaning he knew that not everyone was going to like it, but for him, he made it literally for himself. Part of the reason why it's square, aside from it just being a space saver in terms of fitting everything in there, is because Dean, my Ninja Kitty, knocks shit over on a constant basis, as we all do. We're vapors. We're clumsy motherfuckers, you feel me? The board does not have a USB update port or a USB charging port for the simple fact that he believes everybody should be responsible for their own battery safety, using a standalone charger. All of those little things that he wanted to go into this device, he did. Huge shout out to Davpo, by the way. I was thinking about it, I was like, fuck, most companies, if you want to build a tank or if you want to build a car, doesn't matter what it is, they're going to want to be able to take over and be able to oversee every little bit of your design. The fact that Davpo didn't do that with the Basium is fucking, it's amazing. That's super cool. I know for a fact, like as an audio engineer, I own a production studio, a full recording studio. If someone wants to record music in my studio and they want me to engineer for them or produce their music, I want to oversee the entire thing. So with that being said, mother truckers, this thing has been phenomenal. I've been rocking it all day at 70 watts. How is the battery life so insane? I know Dean wanted this to be an extremely economical device in terms of battery life, in terms of cost, in terms of all of those things, and that's exactly what he did. He hit the nail on the head, in my opinion. I still think the squareness of it is not my personal favorite. It's just not. I still think the squareness of it is going to turn some people off. This is where it's at, in my humble opinion. Look at that all blacked out, murdered out setup right there. Granted, the drip tip is not murdered out, but that's all right. The buttons are clicky. The buttons are metal, which is... oh, when they're metal, it turns me on. It gives me a fucking hard on. Thank you for doing that shit. Make a long story short, everything about this device is solid. On Thesis's patented finger of comparability scale, I'm going to say this bad bitch is a solid 8.7 in terms of just performance. If you're talking aesthetics, certain people are going to think it's a 5. For me, it's probably closer to a 7, 7.5, only because it's not pocket friendly. For me, desk friendliness isn't as important as pocket friendliness is for me on a personal level, just because I love the studio, I love being in the studio, but 9 times out of 10 I'd rather be outside on a dirt bike or fucking doing yard work. I just like being outside. I'm an active motherfucker. I like working out, all of those things I like to do. I like the studio, I love recording, I love doing this, what I'm doing now. But I don't usually have my mod sitting on a desk. I just don't. But for him and him wanting to do it the way that he did, and the fact that he got to do it the way that he did, is extremely impressive. I very much so admire stuff like that. Bitch, it's okay, mother truckers. Now, 510, I will say real quick, kind of just an addendum to that. The 510 isn't quite as smooth as I would like it to be. The stock bottles you do receive are 6 milliliters, which is more than enough, in my humble opinion, for an all-day vape. I shouldn't say all day. For me, I can go through probably 10 to 12 milliliters a day easy without even thinking about it. Woo. Go ahead and squish it. I think the bottles are 1.3 millimeters thick. Again, just thick enough to be able to suck that juice back in. Perfection. Bitch, it's okay, smooth truckers. Now with that being said, don't forget to hit me up on all social media at ThesisHimself, including patreon.com/ThesisHimself. Those are the producers of this channel. Much appreciation to each and every one of you guys. You guys are the ones who are holding this bad bitch up. With that being said, mother truckers, I love y'all. Bitch, it's okay, smooth truckers. Now with that being said, I want to tell you that I appreciate y'all for vaping with Thesis. It is your boy Thesis. I'm out. Fucking A. I didn't record that whole time.